In the summer of 2003, the lights went out for 55 million Americans across the Northeast. Panic spread throughout New York State, injuring hundreds. 11 people died in the dark. What was to blame? A small vulnerability inside the state's transmission control room. Raymond Kenny, a disgruntled employee, unleashed a virus and walked away. 4 hours later, the system overloaded and the grid shut down.
What is this?
I looked, and there before me was a pale horse. Its rider was named Raymond fucking Kenny.
Fuck you. What the hell? Oh, this is sick.
So don't name it not calculate.
It's the end of the road. It was a hard trip. You didn't choose the easy way.
Hey, what's up, my friend?